Nigerian designer Longe Segun has taken to social media to reveal that the building where Hilda Baci held her Cook-A-thon was ransacked by some supporters who were present to support the chef's quest. He went on to reveal that he works for the construction company in charge of the building. The 76th Cannes Film Festival, previously known as International Film Festival, has invited Nigerian actress Chika, who has been recognized by popular fashion outlets like Vogue, the New York Times and Harper's Bazaar for her outstanding style. The event will take place from May 16 to May 17 in France. Popular Nigerian musician Davido has revealed that he flew Pokoli all the way to Los Angeles, United States for his song Unavailable Dance Challenge, where he competed against Chris Brown. Who dances better between Pokoli and Chris Brown?